My glasses was broken and I have to make a new one tomorrow. By the way, this is my real eyes. How does it look? Okay. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image on a video using Filmora. I think it is very simple. By the way, if you have a talking head video and you want to add something such as an image or a video as a B-roll, this technique is very useful. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so this is my example project. By the way, this is my video for my Vietnamese channel, but the timeline is a little bit too long, so let's delete everything first. So in order to add an image on a video, you need a video, right? So I'm going to use my video. Okay, so this is my talking head video, and just put it here on the timeline. This is a short one, and I muted the audio already. Okay, so in order to add an image on a video, you want to have an image. For example, I can use any image right here, this one or this one. So this is a video, by the way. Just drag and drop it here at this position. You want to put your video or image on top of your video track. Okay, something like this. And if you want to shorten the duration of the B-roll or the video, the overlay video, you want to split it and delete. Okay, so this at this section, you come back to your normal talking head video. Okay, and now if you want to add some motion to your video or to your image, you can use keyframe or you can use transition. So in this example, I'm going to use transition, and let me show you how to do that. At this part, for example, here, you see it just cut from my A roll to my B roll. So at the B roll, we need a transition. So we want to go to transition, and then we want to find this one. So this is a push transition. By the way, you can use any. By the way, you can use any transition, but my favorite one is the push one. So all you need to do is to drag and drop it right here, and you want to shorten the duration of the transition also. Normally, I will use about 1 second. Okay, and you want to do the same at the end of the B-roll, something like this. And let's play it. Okay, and let's preview it. Nice, right? And at this position, you can also add sound effect for the transition. For example, I will add a sound effect right here. Just go to the audio, and then you want to find sound effect right here and search for whoosh, and press enter, and then you have many sound effects for whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Sorry, cartoon whoosh. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, just put it here at the audio track and put another one at this position, and let's preview it. Okay, so I think the transition is a little bit too slow, so we're going to shorten it a little bit more. All I need to do is to click here the transition, and then I can shorten it. Okay, and I can do the same for the end of the B-roll. Okay, and here's the result. Nice, right? You can do the same for the image. For example, I can go to stock media. I'm going to find a photo and go to my download, and I have this one. Just drag and drop it right here. Okay, and this is the image, and it has a zoom in effect. By the way, we can delete the effect. Just right click here at the image and select delete effect, and now it is not in full screen, so we need to crop it. Just right click at the image here on the timeline and select crop to fit. Okay, and we can do the same for the transition and also the sound effect. So I'm going to go back to transition and add push transition here, and add push transition here, and shorten it. And also we need to shorten at this position. And now we can copy and paste the sound effect. Just press Ctrl C to copy, and then we can press Ctrl V to paste it and move it to this position. Okay, and here's the image. That's nice, right? So this is how you can overlay image or video on your video using Filmora. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, I don't see you. I need the glasses. Bye.